When using high-powered rock drills, safety and maintenance come first. Let's walk through best practices to keep both operators and tools protected. When installing tool steels, always disconnect the air supply before handling the chuck or shank. Use properly sized drill steels. The wrong size can produce less energy and damage the chuck. Secure the chisel or bit with the correct retainer. This could be a latch, collar, or beaver tail depending on the model. Never operate the drill unless it's in contact with the material. Dry firing will damage the drill over time. Also, avoid prying or leveraging the tool. Use a whip check safety cable on all hose connections to secure the hoses. Ensure you're supplying the correct 90 psi operating pressure. Higher pressure does not improve performance and may damage internal parts. Always run these tools with a whip hose and continuous feed inline oiler. There are no oil reservoirs built into the rock drills. Refill oilers during extended shifts, especially with heavier models. Keep air hoses clean and appropriately sized. Too small or too long causes pressure drop and performance issues. Operating a CP rock drill properly ensures longer tool life, better results, and safer job sites. Train your crew to respect the specs, maintain the tool, and stay alert.